Okay children, let's do the other interesting exercise. Look here, look at the picture and write the sound that word end with. Okay, we have to look at the picture first and we have to write the end word here. Let's try children. Okay, let's try. What is this? This is bat. Bat. What is the ending sound here? Bat. Very good. T sound. You're getting the T sound. Very good. What is this? This is a tub. Okay, tell me loudly. Tub. Tub. B sound. If you put hey means then will become tab. This is a tub. Short vowel. Short sound. Very good. What is this? This is a fox. Fox. Very good. X sound. Okay, let's see this. This is a bag, isn't it? Bag. G sound. Very good. This is a G. Very nice. What is this? This is a sun. Sun. What is the ending word? N. This is a bed. D. Very good. D sound. This is a pot. 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 You are hearing the T sound. Very nice. This is a tap. P sound. P. Very good. We have to put P here. I'm telling one more time. This is a bat. 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 Tub. 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 Fox. 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 Bag. 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 This is a sun. Sun. This is a bed. Bed. This is A sound here, not A. This is a A. If you want A sound, we have to put E. If you want E sound, then we have to put I. Don't forget that. Bed. This is a pot. T sound. This is a tap. T-A-P. Tap. 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 Very nice. Let's go to the next exercise. Okay children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise, but we already done this. To revise this again, I am repeating some words, isn't it? Okay, let's see what is this. Look at each picture. We have to look at each picture and write the correct word to complete the sentence. We have to look at each picture and we have to write that picture name. For example, see here, it is here. It is here. What is this? It is a map. Map. What you are hearing the sound? Map. P sound. Very nice. M-A-P. Map. Okay, let's see another. This is he's a Sam. Sam has a bat. Very good. Bat. Bat. Very good. T. Very nice. Okay, he is a Ben and Ben has a what he has. See here carefully what he has. Cup. Very good. Cup. Cup. Short sound, so we have to put U. P. Cup. Very nice. And see, the dog is in the tub, isn't it? He's it is enjoying in the tub. Listen, yeah, watch it is very carefully. The dog is in the tub. The dog is in the tub. Not tab. Short sound, so we have to put U. Tub. B. Very nice. Okay, see here this picture, the cup is hot, isn't it? So if a hot means that hot waves will comes out, isn't it? Yes, the cup is hot. Hot. Very good. And this is rat. Not rat. Rat means we have to put U. This is a rat. You have to put A and T. And see here, the man has a what is this? This is a gun. The man has a gun. Gun. Short sound. We have to put U. N. Gun. Okay, listen. The hen is on this is a hen and this is a pig, isn't it? The hen is on the top. Yes, the hen is on the top. Or that hen is on the pig or whatever. We have to put top. The hen is on the top. O sound, not A. Then it will become ta. This is a top. If you pronounce it correctly only, then only you can get the correct sound of the alphabet, isn't it? Okay, let's one more time. I'm just revising. M-A-P, map. B-A-T, bat. C-U-P, cup. T-U-B, tub. H-O-T, hot. R-A-T, rat. G-U-N, gun. T-O-P, top. Okay children, did you got it? Okay, let's do a very interesting exercise. Okay children, so far we have revised the 2-letter, 3-letter and vowel sound and the missing word. Now we are going to do really very interesting exercise and very useful exercise too. Let's see here. T-U-B, tub, isn't it? This is a tub. If you put end E, then it will become a tube. It having a individual meaning. Tube. Okay, I'm going to put a E here. Tube. Tube. Okay, now I'm going to add E here. K-I-T, kite. Yes, kite. E. If you put E means then it will become a kite. If you see C-U-B, it's a cub. If you put E means then it will become cube. If it become C-U-B means then we have to say cub. If you put E means then it will become a cube. This is a cap, isn't it? This is a cap. This is a cape. Cape. This is a robe. Yes, the robe. If you put E means it also sounds like a robe. This is a back. Then you will put E means then it become a bake. Bake. This is a bit. If you put E means then it will be sounds like bite. Bite. This is a nin. If you put E means then it will become a nyan. Okay, let's see one more time. This is a tub. If you put E means then will become a tube. Tube. Okay. If 3-letter word means we are telling the tub. If it become a 4-letter, now we are dividing the 2 like this 2-letter. Tube. Okay, we are just dividing the 2-letter. This is a kite. Cube. I'm dividing again. Cup. I'm dividing again. Robe. Then again bake. Bite. Nine. Okay, if it will become a 4-letter, then we have to divide at the 2. Okay, if you are dividing the 2, then we can get the correct sound of the each and every letter. Okay, we have so far add the E letter at the end of the each and every word, and we'll see what are the different pronunciation and what are the different meanings and each and every letter having after we add the E to the end letter. Okay, if you add E to the end letter, it having its own meaning, and also the pronunciation also getting a different, isn't it? Okay, if you're not understand, don't worry, we are going to do more exercise like this. You can understand very betterly. Let's do the next exercise. Let's see the exercise. Listen, actually this exercise is going to be very interesting. It's like a game. Listen, look here. Unscramble each word, write the correct word on the line. You see, actually this is a bone, but this is not a correct spelling for the bone. So we have to unscramble the word and we are going to write here. Okay, let's see. Bone. Yes, first then B O, bone, N, yes, N, then E, bone. Very good. Let's see the next picture. This is a bike. Bike. Okay, let's arrange it correctly. Unscramble it. B-I-K-E. Bike. Very good. And this is a gate. Isn't it? This is a gate. Just unscramble the word gate. Gate. Okay, now let's see. This is a cake. Yes, you all love cake. Yes, I too love cake very much. I love fresh cream cakes. Did you? Okay, children. Let's unscramble the word cake. Cake. K sound, isn't it? That is a C-A. Cake. Cake. Very good. Let's move to the next picture. This is a time. These are not clock, but they are given a time. 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 Okay, this is a wave. Okay, this is a wave. In C, you are seeing the wave. No, that is a wave. 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 Okay, then let's see this. This is a tube. Tube. T sound. This is a T. Tube. Tube. B. Tube. This is a robe. After bathing, we used to wear a robe, isn't it? Yes. Robe. Robe. B. Robe. Okay. This is a bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. This is a bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. This is a gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. This is a cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. This is a time. T-I-M-E. Time. This is wave. W-A-V-E. Wave. This is tube. T-U-B-E. Tube. This is robe. R-O-B-E. Robe. Okay, let's move to the next exercise, children. Okay, children, now we are going to do a very interesting exercise. Let's see what is the exercise. Look at here. Circle the correct word. Okay, we have to solve the picture, and for each picture they are given a two name. In the two name, we have to circle the correct name. For example, listen here. This is a lime. So, for example, see here, L-I-M, lime. This is a limb. Lime. Long sound. E. So, we have to put lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. This is a wave, not wave. Wave. E. Long E. So, we have to put circle here. And this is a not tape. Not tape. This is a tap. Tap. That's all. Not E sound. Okay, let's see here. What is this? This is a man. Not manil. Man. Man. Very good. Okay, let's see here. This is a cub. If you put E means, then it will become a cube. You know what it means by cube? You play with that cube, isn't it? To make it a same color. That is a cube. This is a cub. Cub. And this is a lake, not lack. Lake. Lake. And this is 5. 5. This is bite. Bite. Okay. This is a lime, wave, tap, man, cub, lake, 5, bite. Do you understand? Let's go to the exercise.